Are you sick of having an adhesive bandage stick to you before you intended, or accidentally wasting a strip meant for a patient? You can now set those worries behind you with Ducal's American White Cross adhesive bandages with StatStrip technology. With a simple yet efficient design, the StatStrip makes application a breeze. Pull on one side of the strip, revealing half of the adhesive bandage. Apply and remove the remaining half, chosen by nurses for its ease and aseptic application, and a favorite of kids for its countless styles. Visit us at ducal.com.